Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. It's punner time, and today we're going to draw Happy Mother's Day. So let's get started. To draw this cute drawing to celebrate Mother's Day, let's first start by drawing some flowers. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle to start. And I just really hope this inspires you. You can draw whatever kind of flower you like. We're going to start one right here on the left side. So I have my circle for my center, and I'm just going to go ahead and surround it with 5 petals. So nice and simple. So I'm just going to go around. And like I said, this drawing is just meant to inspire you and bring a smile to your day, and of course to your mom's day, of course. Because it's that time of year again where we need to celebrate our mothers, right? There, so I got one big flower in. I'm just going to come inside each petal and draw a little line for some details. And then let's see here, then let's come next to it and we're going to draw another flower really close to it. So let's say about right here. I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter, and I'm going to make the center a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to draw this really big circle right here in the center. So this is my center flower. And of course you can draw as many flowers as you want, but I'm just going to, let's see my center here so I can put my stem. I'm just going to draw 3 today. And this one is just going to have short flower petals. So I'm just going to go all the way around. And one more. There. Okay, so now that I have my center one, I'm going to draw one more, and I'm going to make this one a little bit taller. So let's come about right here. Once again, I'm just going to start with a center, with a circle. And this one, let's make it pointy. So I'm going to go up, have pointy petals. And once again, just going to go all the way around. So there's no wrong or right way, just have fun with this. Just want to stick as many petals. So let's say about right here. I have room for 2 more. So just keep that in mind. And let's squeeze that one last one in there. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. So just come in here and just going to draw some lines in the center. Definitely turn your paper as you draw these petals. I'm stuck with this paper, it's straight up and down, so that's why it's a little bit harder for me, but definitely turn your paper and that will make it a little bit easier for you to draw all your petals around this circle. Okay, so now that we have all the little details in, let's go ahead and let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw some grass. So let's just imagine our stem's coming down. We don't want it too long, so I'll just say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw some grass going all the way across. I'm just drawing the grass first because it just makes it a little bit easier so I can just stick the stems in. So make sure I'm going straight across. And about right here. I'm just gonna end it. Okay, so once again, let's come back into the flower from our center, and we're just gonna draw a stem straight down. So each flower is going to have a stem going straight down. So our center is about right here. There, so it just makes it a little bit easier. And then let's add some leaves to our flower. Smaller leaves for this one, and some medium-sized leaves for this one. Maybe another one. Why not? We have some room, right? Okay, so there, that is pretty much it for our flowers. And now to draw our little bee. So I'm going to stick this bee right here, and I'm just going to basically draw this big oval. So let's come about right here. It's like drawing a big pill. So I'm just going to come right here, kind of at a little angle. Let's draw this round oval. and connect. There, so one big oval right here. And then let's come back into this space and we're going to draw another oval right here. So we're just going to use this curve right here and then come right here and draw an oval in this space. This is the little head right there. And then you can come right here once again to draw a stripe. So just follow the curve you made for your head to draw the stripe. And then let's see here. So then about right here is my center. I'm just going to draw some wings. Cute little wings. One, and then one in the back. Right there. And then of course we have to add a little stinger. And add some antenna. Let's add an antenna right about here. There. And then of course we have to add a cute little face. So we're just gonna make little dots just to make it extra cute. And let's see here, can I add a little mouth? There. Okay, so we have our little bee in. Make this part a little bit rounder. And I'll color in the stinger. I'm just not sure if I want to make this black or maybe a brown. So we'll see when I color it on the computer. And so I'm leaving it for now. And then if you want this bee to be holding some flowers, you can come right here and just draw a little, darken up a little curve. And then we're going to stick a stem right about here. Coming down there. Now let's make this eye a little bit bigger. Looks too small. And then I forgot a little curve on top. Okay, so then now that we have this, let's come right here. We're just going to create a little flower. Draw a little oval and then just come right here. I'm just going to draw 3 petals just to simplify it. There. And our bee is holding a flower. Adjust my, sorry, now I'm looking at my camera and make sure I have the shape correct here. Okay, and then let's have our bee having some movement. So I'm going to come right here where the stinger is and I'm just going to draw little dashes and give our bee a little bit of a path that it just traveled in. And of course that is pretty much it for, oh I forgot, let's add a little heart here on our bee. And now that we're done with the drawing, let's write the pun, which is Happy Mother's Day. So I'll come right here, just kind of like add a little bit of flow, and I'm going to quickly write Hap, H-A-P, and then add a little dash, B-E-E, happy. And then mother, so about right here. So I'm just going to kind of move it along just to give it some movement. Happy Mother, S, apostrophe, and then day, of course. D-A-Y. Oh, I think I went way too high, but okay, I will definitely adjust that a little bit later, but hopefully you get the idea. And I'm going to come back in here. So if you want to spruce up your letters, just come in here and make some of it thicker. Need like all the downward strokes, make it thicker. Just an easier way without using a fancy calligraphy pen to spruce up your letters. Make that a little heart. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this little bee in a little flower garden to celebrate Mother's Day and say Happy Mother's Day. I really hope you love this drawing that brings a smile to your day, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.